At UBS, in my business and in my practice, the primary method of communication to our clients is visual. I'd probably say 80% visual, 20% verbal. Most people want just the nitty-gritty bullet points, and they want to see things in a visual, one-page manner. And Dr. Ling does that in her class. She basically condenses complicated concepts into short, understandable ways of looking at things. As an econ major, we had to take prerequisites, and one of those prerequisites was stats. And so I had to take 2 statistics courses. Econ 310 was the course, and that's where I first met Dr. Ling.
It is always good to hear that the student like Chris use the statistic at their work. And I think we are really trying very hard for the student to be immediately can apply the things that they learn in class to apply to their work. Instead of looking at tons of formulas, what we have is we said that all this fall into the same pattern. So I think, in that way, the students do not feel that they are overwhelmed with tons of different formulas. But I think more importantly is for them to be able to explain to a lay person